Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks. In this video I will show you how to clear YouTube search and watch history. Now let's get started. First we need to open YouTube app. Then tap your profile icon at the top right of your screen. Now tap Settings. Here we need to find History and Privacy and click on it. At the top we see Clear Watch History and Clear Search History. If you want to delete your watch history, tap on Clear Watch History. To confirm that you want to delete your entire search history, tap Clear Watch History. And the same with Search History. If you want to clear it, you should click on Clear Search History and confirm it. That's all. It was how to clear YouTube search and watch history. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we will appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.